Hello everyone. After finishing of property of lubricating oil, let's discuss about the topic additives used in lubricating oil. An additive is a substance added to mineral oil, or we can say that lubricating oil, in order to improve a particular property of that oil. Or we can say that additive enhance some properties of lubricating oil, or it imparts some new properties in the base fluid. So we have the function of additives. First, it protect metal surface, like when it is used in bearing, it protects the bearing surface. Then it extend the lubricant life. So let's discuss about most important properties of additives and respected type of additives. So first we have surface protective additives. So in that we have anti-wear and extreme pressure agent, or it is also called as EP agent. Then second is corrosion and rust inhibitor. Then third is detergent. The first additive type is anti-wear and EP agent. EP agent is nothing but extreme pressure agent. So the purpose of this additives, as the name indicates, it is anti-wear. So it reduces the friction and wear. So it has organic phosphates, acid phosphates and chlorine compounds. So what is its function? As we know, it is reduce the friction and reduce the wear. So the chemical reaction with metal surface or it react chemically with metal surface and form a film which prevent the metal to metal contact. Hence it reduce the friction between the two surfaces and hence the wear. Second additive type is corrosion and rust inhibitors. So as the name indicates, the purpose of these additives is prevent the corrosion and rusting of metallic parts in contact with lubricant. So typical compounds of these additives is fatty acid, amines, metal phenolates, etc. And function, as we know that it is anti-corrosion and anti-rust. So it provides the protective film over the surface and neutralize corrosive acids. Next important surface protective additives is detergent. It mainly used in engine oil to keep engine clear by holding insoluble material in suspension and preventing the deposit or formation of deposit and sludge. So the purpose of detergent additives is keep surface free of deposits. Typical compounds of detergents are organic compounds of sodium, calcium and magnesium phosphonates and sulfonates. Also, polymer compounds are mostly used as detergent for low temperature condition. And as we know, the function of detergent is chemical reaction with sludge to neutralize them and keep them soluble. So the surface must be deposit free. So this is all about the additives used in lubricating oil to extend the life of lubricants.